Hello everybody and welcome to this new video on Inkscape, and in this video we are going to see how to work with layers. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. First link on the description. The complete course Inkscape is available. If you want to learn Inkscape starting from scratch with the course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models, session of the course, what you will be able to learn in this training course, a reference course to perfectly master Inkscape. You will find in the second link on the description the website in with this YouTube channel. You can discover software, have basics of this software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is like online school, so it means you can pick a course and you can learn any graphic software. So we are going to start with the layers. Something that I'm going to do, it is first to create different layers. So here by default we have one layers on the top right corner. These layer panels, if you don't have, you can select object, layers and object, and automatically you can display the panels on the right. I can advise you to have these panels every time on the right. It is definitely convenient. On the layer 1, I will create, for example, a background. So I will select the rectangle tools. I can use the snapping option. You can activate the snapping option here, and thanks to that I can snap to this corner and create my first rectangles. I will go on fill and stroke, and I will define a color, like for example this type of color just here. And I will come back to the layer object. So this one will be my first layer. You can rename a layers with double click. And when you go double click, you can rename a layer. For example, I will define this for the sky. Now I would like to create a new layers. To create a new layer, you can click on plus, add layers above. And when I click on this area, I can create a new layers and directly rename my layers here. And I will type something like, for example, I will type something like mountain. And inside these new layers, I will, for example, click on the pen tools, and I will start with maybe a point around here. Then I will go around this direction, then this direction, this one, and I will come back here. I will snap on this area and I will snap here. I will just change the color. We have different type of color here. Maybe I will select something like this one, just like this. And we are inside these layers. This element, this path, I will duplicate. I will go on edit and I will copy, I will duplicate or control D. So edit, duplicate or control D. Then I will change a little bit the color for something little bit clear, like maybe these colors. And I will edit with my node tools. I will just create a small effect, dragging and moving the handles just here. And I will dragging and moving these handles around here, and maybe these handles around here, just like that. So I'm going to create another layers. You can also create a new layers with right click, and you can add a layers as well. If you add a layers with right click, add layers, automatically you can enter the name in these small new panels, and in this case you can put above the current layers or below the current layers. Let's keep above, and I will select something like, for example, field. I will create a rectangle just here. I will create a small rectangles on this area, and I will switch for another color, like maybe this one, and I will move a little bit here. And I will create another rectangle, like maybe this one, and I will create another here, and adjust a little bit the color, just like this, just to show you the principle of work. And I will create maybe a last layers. I will click here, and I will create something. I will type maybe I will type lake, ocean. Let's just type lake, and I will create a rectangles here on this area and define some blue color, just like this. We have different type of blue color. Maybe I can use this one, just like this. And then I will duplicate, edit and duplicate. I will just zoom here, scale a little bit and put this blue color, So thanks to that, we can make something simple about the conception to understand the principle of the layers. So now we have created different layers. You can just switch here the preview of the layers, just like this, with the different object layers inside. Something on each layers, for example, I have the mountain layer here. I can define on this area, I can deactivate the view of all the layers. I can also change the transparency here. I can change the transparency of all the layers and even change the blend mode. Sometimes it can be useful, not too much for this type of draw, but sometimes it can be useful moreover when we work with image. So here we can change the blend mode as well, and you have different type of blend mode that you can use. Let's just come back to normals and 100%. So here you can just change the transparency. You have also the possibility to lock a layer. Why it is useful? Because if I select, for example, my sky layer, sometimes by default you want to select an object and by mistake you will move the background just like this. And if you want to avoid this, you can, for example, on a layer you can lock, and you can click here, you can lock the layers. And thanks to that, now, as you can see, this layer, I cannot move, I cannot do anything because I lock the layers. I can also unlock just here. You can also, inside a layer, for example, I have mountain here, I have the same thing for the object, so it means the different element inside my layer. It is same, I can also deactivate the view of this path, or the view of this path, or lock this path, or change the transparency of this path as well. If you want to delete or duplicate a layer, you can go right-click, you can find duplicate layers, just like this, you can just duplicate, so right-click, you can duplicate, and to delete a layer, you can click on the layer, you can click here, delete, or you can click on a layer, right-click, and you can find delete as well. So when you go right-click here, you can copy, cut a layer, paste, duplicate a layer, delete a layers as well. You just click on delete. You can change the position, foreground, background. To change the position, foreground, background, for example, I have my sky layers. You can, to know also, you can find a code color on the right, and you can edit this one. So it means if you click here, for example, on the lake, I can change the color code, make something more in blue, for example. I can put the grace, I can change the color code, let's make something more in green. It's just visual, it's just for you. For example, for the mountain, I can change the color code, I will make something more maybe brown, just like this. And for the sky, I will change the color code, let's make something more maybe in yellow. So this one is just for you. So you can just change the color code, it's just a visual way. And as you can see, the color code that you define here will be applied also when you write something here. And you can find different type of color codes on this area. Something important to know also, you can recuperate all this type of thing on the left. So when you go on the left, you can find here. And when you go on this area, you can find layers. And one more time, you can add a layer, you can rename a layer from these panels. You can also switch layer above, below, you can move the selection to layers and more options just like this. Duplicate the layers, delete the current layer. So all the different things that we have seen on the right, you can also see on these layer panels as well. So that's it. This is how you can work with the layers. Don't forget you can go right click also, and you have all this type of option. You can also put an element outside of a layer. You just need to go outside just like this, and you can put an element outside. For example, here from the lake rectangle, I can put the element outside, and now it is not inside the lake layers. So now inside the lake layers, I have nothing. And I can recuperate, for example, this one, you can put inside. This one I can put inside as well, and now I can put again inside this layer. You can, here in this case, with this type of thing, if I don't have a lot of things, I can just stay with only my first layer and rename the object. But in some case, yes, you can also work with multiple layers. So we are going to stop here with this video. If you like, subscribe to this YouTube channel. First link on the description, the complete course Inkscape is available. If you want to learn Inkscape starting from scratch with a course structure, it will be on the first link on the description. You will see the models session of the course, what you will be able to learn. It is a complete course, reference course, different hours of training content. We see in details the different tools, we see in details the different features, the transformation, how to work with layers, how to work with paths, work with objects. At the end of the course, different trainings also on graphic documents. And second link on the description, the website in English this YouTube channel. You can discover software, a basic of the software in these YouTube channels. And second link on the description, it is like an online school. You can pick a course and learn any graphic software. For next video, see you. Ciao, ciao.